Hello there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about how to detox your liver naturally. Our liver plays a crucial role in eliminating toxins from our body, so it's essential to keep it healthy. In this video, we'll share with you 5 powerful drinks that can cleanse your liver. Let's get started. Drink number 1, turmeric milk. Turmeric is a powerful spice known for its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. To make this liver detoxifying drink, warm up a cup of milk and add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Drink number 2, amla juice. Amla, also known as Indian gooseberry, is packed with vitamin C and antioxidants. It helps in the production of liver enzymes, which aid in detoxification. Squeeze the juice of 2 fresh amla fruits and dilute it with water. Drink this refreshing juice every morning on an empty stomach. Drink number 3, mint lemonade. Mint leaves and lemon are not only refreshing but also excellent for liver health. In a blender, combine a handful of fresh mint leaves, the juice of 1 lemon, a pinch of salt, and a teaspoon of honey. Blend it well, strain, and enjoy a glass of this minty lemonade. Drink number 4, bitter gourd juice. Bitter gourd is known for its liver-cleansing properties. It stimulates the liver enzymes and enhances its overall function. Strain the juice and drink it in the morning for maximum benefits. Drink number 5, beetroot juice. Beetroots are rich in antioxidants and contain compounds that support liver detoxification. Take 1 medium-sized beetroot, peel it, and blend it with water. Strain the juice and have a glass of this vibrant drink to cleanse your liver. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more health tips.